Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 3 raised to the power of square root of t, and this equals 27 power t. So we are solving for the values of t that satisfies this equation. Now, I can start by expressing this 27 as 3 power 3. So I'm going to have 3 power square root of t equals 27 is 3 raised to the power of 3, and this is raised to the power of t. Now, if I have a raised to the power of n, raised to the power of n, this equals a power n times n. So we are going to multiply this exponent, and what we are going to have is 3 raised to the power of square root of t, and this equals 3 raised to the power of 3t. Now, if you have a power a, and this equals a power b, when the bases are the same, you can compare the exponent. That means a equals b. So the bases are the same. We can have square root of t equals 3t. From here, the square root here, I can eliminate the square root by taking the squares of both parts of this equation. Let's cancel this. I have t, and this equals, I can distribute these squares to each of the terms here. I have 3 power 2 times t power 2. From here, I'll simply have t equals 3 power 2, this is 9 times t power 2. So I will have t equals 9t squared. We can solve this in 2 different ways. I can easily have t equals 9t squared. I divide this by t. I divide this by t. So from here, t divides t, I have 1 equals 9t squared. Here, if you have a power n divided by a power m equals a power n minus n. This is to the power of 1. The bases are the same. I can have t power 2 minus 1. Applying this identity right here. So from here, I will have 1 equals 90, because 2 minus 1 is 1. I have 90. So I can easily solve for t. I can just rearrange this. I have 90 equals 1. I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. 9 eliminates 9. I have t equals 1 over 9. This is one way of solving it, and it's giving us one solution. Let's do it another way. I have t equals 90 squared. I move t over here. I have 90 squared minus t equals 0. I can factor out t. Out t times t divided by t, I have 90. Minus t divided by t, I have 1. And this equals 0. I can equate each of these to 0. I have t equals 0. I have 90 minus 1 equals 0. To solve this, I move this over here. I have 90 equals positive 1. I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. 9 eliminates 9. I have t equals 1 over 9. So in this other method, we are having 2 solutions which are 0 and 1 over 9. While in the first method, we had only one solution, which is 1/9. Now, the next thing we are going to do will be to check by inserting each of the values for t. We have t equals 0 and t equals 1/9. So the question remains the same. 3 power square root of t equals 27 power t. Let's start when t equals 0. So what you are going to do will be to insert 0 for t. You have 3 raised to the power square root of 0 equals 27 raised to the power of 0. So from here, you have 3 square root of 0, this is 0, equals 27 power 0. 3 raised to the power of 0, this is 1, equals 27 power 0, this is 1. The both sides are correct. And the same, so that means that is correct. Let's consider when t equals 1/9. And the question remains the same. Equals 27 power t. I insert this for t. I'll have 3 power square root of 1/9 equals 27 power 1/9. From here, I can have 3 power. Now, this square root of 1/9 is the same thing as saying square root of 1 divided by square root of 9. And this equals 27 power 1/9. So from here, square root of 1 is 1. I have 3 power. This is 1 over square root of 9 is 3. And this equals 27 power 1/9. So from here, I have 3 power 1/3 equals 27 is the same thing as 3 power 3. I have 3 power 3 raised to the power of 1/9. I go back to the same identity. I have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So I'm going to multiply this exponent. What I'm going to have will be 3 to the power of 1/3 equals 3 to the power of 3 times 1. This is 3/9. So from here, 3 cancel itself, 1 cancel 9. I have 3. So I have 3 power 1/3 equals 3 power 1/3. Now, if you have a power 1/n, this equals the n root of a power 1, and this equals the n root of a. So from here, I'm going to have the cube root of 3 power 1, which equals the cube root of 3 power 1. From here, I have cube root of 3 power 1, this is 3, and this equals the cube root of 3 power 1, this is 3. This and this are the same. So at this point, we have also checked for t equals 1/9, and it has also satisfied the equation. So these two solutions have proven to be correct, and that is the end of this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Then, whenever you have an exponential problem of this nature, the most important thing is to ensure that the two pieces are the same. Express 27 in terms of 3, that is 3 power 3 because we have 3 here. Multiply the exponent. Then equate the exponent because the bases are the same using this identity. Because the square root here, you take the squares in order to eliminate the square root and form two different equations. So at this point, you can solve this equation in two different ways. The first one is to divide by t, and that will give you one solution. The second way is to form a quadratic equation by moving t over here and factoring out the t to have 0 and 1/9 respectively. So after that, what we did was to test by inserting these particular values to that particular equation, and at the end, the both values of t have satisfied the equation. So guys, is it? See you again.